We pack some great features into the Gemini 24SX. How do theater seats and a booth dinette sound? Let's take a look at what else makes the Gemini 24SX the Thor Motor Coach featured floor plan. The inside of your Gemini is ready for fun and adventure. Campside. Lean back and relax in the theater seats. Up front, the captain's chair swivel. And you have the multi-purpose booth dinette, which easily converts into a bed. With storage above and below, the kitchen in the 24SX is sure to please. You have a large stainless steel single bowl sink, flip-up countertop extension, 2-burner gas cooktop, convection microwave, and double-door fridge. Your Gemini offers plenty of storage throughout in the large Euro-style cabinets. In the bathroom, you'll find your stainless steel sink with a large medicine cabinet above. You also have a shower with skylight, and the tankless water heater means enough hot water for everyone. In the bedroom, you are treated to this comfortable full-size bed ready for you to catch a great night's sleep. The closet with valet rod makes it easy to get ready for the day, or flip up the bed, have a seat, and catch up on TV. So let's talk a little tech and entertainment. With the Wi-Fi Ranger Wi-Fi extender, you can set up a safe and secure internet connection. And keeping your devices full is easy with this charging station. The Bluetooth Coach radio system and the TV with Blu-ray player are ready for your favorite music or favorite movies. The Gemini is equipped with Rapid Camp Plus. It's your all-in-one control center. From the full-color touchscreen or the app, you can control lights, put out your slides, adjust the climate, and keep an eye on your tank levels. When you're ready to explore a new destination, the touchscreen dash radio has everything you need for a great road trip. Navigation, Sirius XM, Bluetooth connectivity, and the screen is also your rear-view camera monitor. The 24SX is built on an easy-to-drive Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis with 188 horsepower, 325 pound-feet of torque, and a 5,000-pound hitch. You'll find the Gemini is ready for any adventure on the outside. You have large, lit storage bays for all your gear, a TV with soundbar under the power patio with LED lighting, and an exterior propane connection for sharing your favorite barbecue recipe. So how about it? You ready to pack up for some great times? This is the Gemini 24SX. Explore more at thormotorcoach.com.